they need to understand their risk profile. This is an asset class that requires that has significant risk associated with it, but it could also give you significant reward. So people need to understand what their individual risk profile is, how much are they willing to risk in the market, and what they want to get out of it. The next piece that they need to look for is they need to understand which broker or execution venue that they're going to go interact with, or where they're going to go execute their trades, and pick a broker based on a couple of things. One is who offers the most competitive spreads, and there's a lot of research that is out there, and people should take the time and effort to make sure that they understand what the different brokers, the trade-off between the different brokers in terms of spreads. And competitive spread is just not enough in itself. You also need good quality of execution. So investors and traders need to look for a broker that can as close to guarantee the price on the screen. So typically what ends up happening is you may see a certain price being flashed on the screen, but that may not be the price that your trade gets executed as. That's termed as slippage, and they need to understand where can they minimize their chances of slippage occurring. And again, they need to do their research. This isn't something where you wake up one morning and decide to start trading. So investors and traders need to spend some time understanding what's the best venue for them. And then finally, they need to sort of think about what is their investment strategy, what is their trading strategy going to be. There's probably some test and learn opportunities out there, and there are ways to do this. So opening a demo account. At Oanda, we actually have a very robust demo platform that exactly mirrors our trading platform. So maybe working with the demo account for a month or two to understand how your trading strategies play out. One other useful way to get into the market is looking for a viable copy trading platform, whereby you end up following people who are professional investors, and you can understand from them what is a good trading strategy, how they have been successful by sort of seeing every single trade of theirs, and following their trades will hopefully be an opportunity for you to learn how to get into this market and be successful in the long run. So at Oanda, we recently acquired a company called Currency. Currency is a market-leading copy trading platform, and the uniqueness about Currency and the offering that it has today is Currency is a trade leader program. So there's a way in which we vet and select trade leaders. So we go through a process of pretty much a lot of people apply to be trade leaders, but we go through a vetting and a qualification process, and we slowly bring them on as trade leaders that are available. So they're almost like trade leaders. You don't know who they are, but you get to see their performance. You get to see how they've performed related to the market. And you as a new investor or a trader can choose to allocate some portion of your capital to basically mimic everything that the trade leader does. And that's what the Currency offering is all about. We allow you to execute exactly the trades that the trade leader is executing, and you get to basically have the same risk return profile that the trade leader is having today. And it's a nice little way to get into the market, because it's a more passive way to get into the market, where you're not actively looking to execute trades on a per trade basis, but you're looking then to more understand, and you can allocate some percentage of your capital to it. You can say 50% of my money I'm going to put it towards these 5 trade leaders with different risk profiles, and the other 50% I'm going to self-trade it myself on an Oanda account. So it's a nice little way to get into the market, to diversify your risk a little bit, and also to understand so that you're successful, as we always focus on, in the long run, not on a trade-by-trade basis.